Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Family Dollar application on your iPhone. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, open your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box at the top and type in Family Dollar and search. You'll then come across your search result where you should go ahead and tap on this Family Dollar application, which looks like this. Family Dollar is an American variety store chain headquartered in Matthews, North Carolina. The store is known for their affordable prices and wide selection of merchandise, which includes groceries, household essentials, personal care products, and much more. To download the application, tap on the Get button and sign in with your Apple ID. Wait for the application to download and install on your iPhone, which will only take a few minutes. And once it's done with the download, you can open the application and get started with it. So that's how easy you can download the Family Dollar application for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.